I want to share with you that in the chakra system, the highest chakra is called the crown chakra, and the bija mantra for that is Om. Apart from the sound, the crown chakra is associated with the father figure. It could be a biological father, a person in authority, or your boss, or anybody else you consider as more powerful than you. Now, apart from people, I think the fact is we should move towards a path where we realize the Supreme Father is the most powerful of all. And so when we consider him or her, it can be the gender, doesn't matter. But we should know that the Supreme Being is looking after us. And so that is what meditation actually does. It makes you connect to the divine being, which is within us and also above us in sky or the cosmos or whatever you may call it. So by regularly doing meditation by chanting Om and concentrating on the crown chakra, which is the top of the head, it makes a lot of sense for us to feel better. So I do it every day, and I request everyone to do it. Spare little time to chant, because this is something which you owe yourself. All the best. Thank you.